How to connect TikTok to Facebook. First, open TikTok. And once you're in TikTok, what you have to do is just basically be on your profile. So here, as you can see, this is my profile. What you have to do is just basically copy your username. Once you tap on it, here, as you can see that my username has been copied. So yeah, now you gotta go to Facebook. And once you're in Facebook, what you have to do is just basically go to your profile once again. And then just press on your profile on the right next to menu. Once you press on it, it will bring you here. And then you just basically have to press edit profile. Now it will bring up this, but you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of links. Just press on add. And now you'll see two options. First one, social links, and then websites. Just gotta go ahead and press on social links, add social link, and then choose the platform. So it's just obviously going to be TikTok. Now put your username that you copied, paste, and then just press done. Now you just gotta press save changes. And here you go. Here, as you can see, that you've successfully connected your TikTok to Facebook. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, and that's it.